Hi guys, I'm Lordee and welcome back to the channel. Right guys, so you probably saw my failed video the other night of trying to change the gaiter. I completely messed this up. I bought the wrong product, I bought the wrong trim. Like a lot of us online will see this on eBay. It says for the Mark II facelift, but actually it's slightly too small. None of it actually fits. The gaiter doesn't fit and the surround doesn't fit, so you'll probably end up finding yourself sending it back. So what I've done is I've purchased a new gaiter, which I'm going to show you now. It's got a red trim and it's actually in a carbon effect as well. I think it looks cracking. I haven't done a test. Now, I'm hoping this is going to fit absolutely fine. It specifies it's for the facelift, 08 to 11 focus, so we should be okay. You can choose a number of different colours, from black all the way through to different colours of this, and different trim colour as well. I've gone for this obviously to match in with everything else inside the car. So we are going to try and fit this now. I've already pre-taken this out. As you all know, this is simply, it clips in, you just need to give it a pull, or you can use something just underneath it just to gently prise it and it will pull out. Now I've already untwisted it, and again you probably saw I ruined this gaiter. It's completely fallen apart. So we've already taken this off, and I've taken the bottom piece off as well, which is this part. This is very awkward to get off. There may be a specific way of getting it off. I just used a screwdriver and literally yanked it off, but you guys might know a better way of doing it. But that's the way I've got that off. Now I do have a new gear stick, or gear knob should I say. Now I was going to replace mine for this, because mine is slightly faded, which I'll show you. Just along the top there, but this is obviously the original. It's in leather, whereas this one now is PVC or PU. The problem I've got with the new one, if you're not aware, is this part here. When you take out the insert, my one or the ST one doesn't fit that well to it. It's not a great fit. So at the moment I'm not going to fit it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize this chrome piece on it, because the one I've got is really faded. I'll show you that. So look, it's faded there. So we're going to utilize that anyway. We're going to keep this original one for the moment, and we're going to update the gaiter. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to remove this part here, which simply slides off, but I'm not going to be able to do that with one hand. Oh, okay. This one actually has a little socket there which fits nicely in, and it stops it from rolling around. The new one doesn't have that, so I'm just going to see how that fits, test fit that first. So just give me a second, we'll be back with you in a mo. Okay, so I fitted the chrome piece, which is absolutely fine. Actually, it doesn't move around at all, so I don't know why I was worried about that. So new chrome piece fitted, plastic chrome piece, so that's just a little bit nicer. So we've utilized that from the gear knob. And so to remove this part, it's really simple. Once you've got it out, you just simply unclip from the back here. If it focuses in quickly, we'll just unclip it and we'll just push this out. I'm not going to do that with one hand, so I'm going to come back to you in a second. We'll just do that. We'll get this piece out, and we'll get the new one replaced. Okay guys, well there you have it. So it's literally a push fit, so it does fit. I was a bit worried for a second that it wasn't going to fit. You just have to push around the edges to clip it in. It wasn't sitting quite correctly and didn't look that great, but you have to make sure you push around the edges. There's little clips that just clip itself in around here, and it's this part here. It just sits underneath this part and the one on the other side, so making sure that that's just underneath, and the clips will then go over this piece of plastic and it will fit nicely on there, and then we have it. the new gaiter, which fits correctly into the ST chrome surround. And there you go. I think that looks absolutely cracking, and it kind of matches in with the carbon effect around. And I've obviously got some carbon on the steering wheel here, and the red trim again matching in with essentially the red in the car and on the outside for the badges. So we've got that fitted. I'm now going to get the gear. So this part here, we're going to place the new, or the original, the new chrome part in here. We're going to marry up the back of this clip that in to hold everything together, and then we'll put the new we'll put it all back together. We'll twist it back on, and everything will be fitted. I hope you agree. I actually love this look. I'll show you the finished product in a minute once I've finished it off, but I think this looks absolutely cracking. It's a really nice, it doesn't look cheap. The stitching is really good. As I say, you can get different types of colours and so on. But I think that looks really, really good. So I'm pleased with that purchase after on my fail the other night. You might have seen that video. If you didn't, go and have a look. I failed completely. So we're going to get this sorted, and I'll be back with you in 2. Well, I'll just show you the final piece to the puzzle. So what we do is we'll just use the black insert here. You insert the gear knob into the gaiter, turn it round, and then you just insert the black holding piece in. That just will clip in over the top, and then you'll now have your complete piece. If we can try and get that down for you just to show you. Let's have a little look, and there you have it, your complete gaiter and your gear knob back on. And we're just going to marry that up now with the gear stick. If you can find that, top of there we go. And we're going to get that twisted in, popped back in, and I'm going to show you the end result. Right guys, and then we have it, brand new gaiter fitted. I think that looks absolutely stunning. Again, something so simple can really change the interior of the car. Nice red stitching in a carbon effect, black carbon effect. Goes well with the colouring, numbering on the top of the gear knob. And I think that just looks absolutely perfect. So I'm really pleased with that. I hope you agree. Really adds a nice touch to the inside of the car. Let me know your thoughts and comments. So there you have it guys, installation of the gaiter for the ST. Finally, we've got one that fits perfectly. I'm really pleased with it. It looks cracking. I'll leave you a link in the description so you guys can go and get one yourself. As I say, they're in lots of different options there for you to choose from. I've gone with the red trim and the carbon effect on the gaiter itself. I think it looks cracking. I hope you guys think it does too. Appreciate it, and catch you up on the next one. Wicked. Cheers.